Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, me and my group members will discuss about Instagram as a marketing tool.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Ruchi and I'm going to talk about how to use Instagram as a marketing tool. Social media is one of the best tools that you can use to expand the reach, appeal, and visibility of your business. Instagram can be one of the greatest assets to your business, especially if you know how to use it as a marketing tool versus a social tool. In its 9 years of existence, Instagram has more than 1 billion monthly users, including 26 billion business profiles. People use Instagram not only to look at the photos but also to learn about new brands and even to make a purchase. Here's what you need to know about using Instagram as a marketing tool to increase your brand's reach, appeal, and visibility. First, optimize your account. Once you have business Instagram account created, the next step is to optimize it. Start by choosing a profile picture. This is likely to be one of the first things that the visitors will see once they land on your profile page. Your profile pictures serve as the first impression for the new visitors. Choose a profile picture that's consistent with your brand. You can use a company's logo or some other image that portrays who your business is. Once you have a good profile picture, write your Instagram bio. Provide direct and concise summary of who your business is and why people should follow you. Second thing is to know your target audience. The key to using Instagram as a marketing tool is to spend time getting to know your audience. First thing is to figure out what kind of content they prefer. Research when they're most active on the network. You can find a lot of this information through a feature called as Insight feature, which provides information about reach, views, time on the page. You'll also want to research demographic information about your target audience. Where are they from? What are the average age? Is there any certain location that most of our followers are from? All of this information is very important. The third thing is to use hashtag to create consistent stream of new interest in your brand. Hashtags are a must. Hashtag allow your users to search for content using a specific search term. A user searches for hashtag that you use on a post or a photo. It will appear in their search history. One thing you do not want to do is to use hashtag without thought or research. Visitors don't want to see posts with dozens of hashtags. Focus on quality and quantity. In order to find the best hashtag to use in your post, you can look at the hashtag competitors are using, see which hashtags are trending in the industry, research which ones your followers like the most. Interact with your audience. Posting quality content is good step, but if you want to maximize your marketing efforts on Instagram, it's important to interact and engage as often as possible. Interaction increases brand advocacy, customer satisfaction, likability, visibility, and credibility. To interact with your followers, respond to their comments, use Instagram stories and stickers so that you can get feedback from your audience by using polls and the voting system. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Nadeem and today I will be talking about Instagram as a marketing tool. Why Instagram? In this competitive world, we have so many other options, so many other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, where we can not only promote our brand, but also advertise and promote our products. So why Instagram? There are multiple reasons why Instagram is preferred as a marketing tool over other social media platforms. So first of all, Instagram ensures greater brand reach. At the moment, there are about 1 billion daily active users of Instagram, and this number is constantly rising. As illustrated in this graph, that the total number of daily active users of Instagram were only 80 million in 2012, and in 2018, the number was 1 billion plus. So the number of daily active users are constantly rising, and more users mean more brand reach. There are about 25 million business accounts on Instagram, and each user is following at least one business account. Having an account on Instagram ensures greater brand reach. Secondly, there is less competition on Instagram. Because we compare Instagram directly to Facebook, There are 6 million advertisers on Facebook who are using Facebook to reach their target audience, but the number is only 2 million on Instagram, hence there is less competition. So running a marketing campaign through Instagram will be more successful. Thirdly, Instagram allows you to share beautiful visual content. Instagram is basically a visual-based platform and the news feeds are filled with beautiful visual content, unlike Facebook and Twitter, which are more text-based. So visuals are the best way to express and visuals are the best way to deliver message to people. Instagram is a mobile-friendly application. According to a survey conducted by eMarketer, the population spend about 84.9% of their time using mobile phones and mobile applications. Hence, Instagram was designed as a mobile application, and the purpose of this mobile application is to basically ease communication between user and businesses. You see a post and that business is just a DM away. Another amazing feature of Instagram is Instagram Stories. Businesses use this feature to be more interactive with their customers and their users. Businesses use Instagram Stories to post behind-the-scene photos or the experiences of customers about products, and some businesses, mostly those dealing with outfits and clothing, maintain client diaries. The purpose of all this is to attract customers and to retain them. Hashtags are very popular on Instagram. It is another key feature of Instagram. Hashtags basically enable your posts to be seen in search result and reach Instagram users, hence adding to the visibility and reach of a particular post. So these are all the reasons why Instagram is a preferred marketing tool and why Instagram is preferred over other social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter as a marketing tool. Thank you very much.
Examples of large-scale and small-scale businesses that are using Instagram as a marketing tool. These businesses include McDonald's, Beautiful by Amna, KFC, and Zara Good Beauty Salon, as digital marketing is used for both service and...
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mustafa Salim and I am the social media manager of Great Elevators. So the tools we use for our Instagram page, marketing tools basically. So first of all, the tool we use is पेड प्रमोशन हम ऐसे करते हैं कि जिन लोगों के फॉलोअर्स बहुत ज़्यादा तो लाखों में होते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं पेड करके, जैसे ब्लॉगर्स हो गए जिनके मिलियंस में फॉलोअर्स होते हैं, उनको हम पेड प्रमोशन करते हैं, पे करके अपनी स्टोरीज उनके पेज पे लगवाते हैं। देन उसके बाद हैशटैग्स हैं, जितने अच्छे हम कीवर्ड्स अपनी पोस्ट पे यूज़ करेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा जिनसे ना कस्टमर्स और जो इंस्टा के लोग हैं वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारी तरफ जो उनसे ना इंगेज होंगे, हमारे साथ इंगेज होंगे। उसके बाद आता है उसके रिव्यूज़, जिनका हम काम करते हैं, जिनके ऑर्डर्स हम कंप्लीट करके देते हैं, वो अपने रिव्यूज़ देते हैं, फिर हम उनका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अपनी स्टोरीज पे लगाते हैं। देन उसके बाद एक सॉफ्टवेयर है आइकन स्क्वायर एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिससे आपको पता लगता है कि पीक टाइम क्या है लोगों का। इंस्टा के आपका पेज है, उस पर पीक टाइम ज़्यादा लोग किस टाइम आपके साथ इंगेज करते हैं उसके ऊपर। देन हम उसका वो टाइम मैनेज करके, जैसे कि आप कह सकते हैं आज का रमज़ान है तो शहरी के बाद काफ़ी लोग इंस्टा यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, तो हम उस टाइम अपनी पोस्ट वगैरह लगाते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसको व्यू करें। देन उसके बाद आता है जी सोशल रैंकिंग ऐसी वेबसाइट है जिससे आपको ये पता लगता है कि आपका जो पेज है या आपकी जो वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर लोग जो उनसे है कौन फ्रीक्वेंटली आ रहा है। जैसे कि इंस्टाग्राम का हमारा पेज